Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is Umuahia-Obowo-Mbaise, and the road I'm driving on right now is called the Umuahia-Obowo-Mbaise Road. The road is a major artery connecting the Mbaise region with Obowo and extends to Umuahia, the capital of Abia State. It is described as a smooth and well-paved road. The route is known for its scenic green landscape. The road facilitates faster and easier travel between Imo and Abia states, benefiting local businesses and travelers. This road is part of a 52-kilometer journey from Owerri to Umuahia. The road was fully reconstructed and paved, transforming it from a neglected route to a smooth and enduring roadway. The road was officially inaugurated by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in late 2025 as a project executed under Governor Hope Uzodinma's administration. Residents and motorists have shared positive experiences using the road, noting the improved ease and safety of travel. So I'm going to be driving down, and if I pass where you are from in Mbaise, you can tell me in the comment section. If you recognized any place in this video, you can as well tell me in the comment section. Please kindly click the share button and help me share this video. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly click the subscribe button, and if you have done that, thanks. Watch the video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. Going to Owerri from this road before used to be, an experience not so nice, but since this road was reconstructed, now people can easily travel from Umuahia to Owerri, without wasting much time on the road. Apart from wasting time on the road, due to how bad the road was, your car could just spoil here due to one or two gallop when we say don't go enter. You understand? Your car might just spoil on the road, and that's the end of your journey, or you now have to start entering another vehicle. They start doing transload. But since this road got fixed, traveling to Owerri is now exciting. It's not like before we say you go first think calm. You go think calm before you go say, nah, should I look for another road? Is there another road I can take to cut to bypass this particular road? But now everywhere they okay. People now they fit travel even for nights, street lights, they here, everything they go on, so people can easily travel. So apart from just going to Obo or Mbaise, you can still from this road, you take a diversion and you get to Umuahia. Maya, right now we don't have an airport in Abia State actually, so our airport is under construction. Most times the people of Abia, the closest, depending on the part of Abia State you're from, maybe let me say people in Umuahia and some other parts of Abia State, if they want to travel to Abuja or somewhere else and they need to get to the airport, most times they need to fly through this road before they can get to the airport in Umuahia. So if you want to see some part of Mbaise that you wouldn't see here, you wouldn't see in this particular video, you can watch the videos I uploaded previously, and then you may be able to see your village. You understand? Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.